Okay, so
We'll back again.
welcome back to my video. Earlier, I say that if we go back, I'm gonna video it. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to this, and this is where we're gonna go. But earlier we go right there. So now we go right there.
We'll return.
I eating guava. Guava is my favorite. It makes your teeth even stronger. So look at the road. You see my like 4 months ago vlog that I was going here. And now,
Abi ko kinsa.
Ano kinsa ko?
Kay hadlok ko.
Mahadlok kaya.
Abi ko garbilde. Kaya gikan no.
Kabata.
Awa ulit.
Tagal.
Katiguang.
so my mother,
Madali ala gani mo mga gagawa na.
speak Bisaya lately because she have to talk to some her not strangers. She know him. She's a boy. He is her friend. So
Relative.
you see my 4 months ago, we're going to this hiking vlog that it starts all we're going to a forest. We are and again look at that view. It's 5:21 5:21 p.m. So yeah. So my mother's there. Definitely I'm eating guapa. Sorry. You know that 6'7"? Ayub, a big fan of Salish and Kado. Jordan, mother, and Hudson mother and Salish mother. And Kado Lee Roberts. Do you see in my 4 months ago, I don't know basta her title is we're going to the forest. We're in trouble and now we're going back. There is we are in trouble. But now it's not the worst thing, but it's still the maddest thing I ever see. So it's 4 minutes now. I'm gonna show you our house. Yeah. I'm showing our house. Please don't judge me because we are broke. Okay? Please don't judge me, we are broke. Our house is not that beautiful enough, it's not that ugly enough. It's just normal, like, yeah, it's concrete. Yeah. So there is some kid playing in here. And then So there's cafe, so I'm gonna post this because I am shy. Na see you. So yeah guys, I'm back. So this is what I like. This is my favorite thing. So when I'm vlogging, I don't show this to you. So no, I'm gonna show you. Can you guess this? She don't have a life, but she died. That battery. Battery doesn't have life, but they die.
Grisel! 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 Tumba!
So
Dodo!
I post that
Well,
click here. So there is my classmate and I'm
Yeah,
shy to vlog.
Dito ko, dito bawa.
Diyan kagikan.
Sige. Isa magbuka.
Yato.
Isa bukan. Ma'am.
Yato.
So lately, my mom is big. Bisara because
Ako nagamit ang mga.
when she's in our house and super really close. So tapos this really